my
Guys,
god.
what's up, live? Screwed.
We're screwed. We're screwed, lava. Oh my god, there's a skeleton.
What do I have? Diamond armor! We started away. What's that, guys?
And we're screwed.
And we're screwed.
In lava.
Noah, quickly come inside.
We gotta make a shelter,
Oh my god. Well, looks like we screwed up. I did not think you would actually erupt. I doubted the awesomeness of Tekkit and the fact that Mother Nature is a beach. Holy crap! It's gonna destroy our farm, and it's just gonna...
God, look at the mini-map.
I'm gonna save our farm. No, it's too late!
There's a creeper there.
No, it's telling me to go without it. One without it.
Dude, it's not erupting on the other side.
Are you serious?
Yeah, look at the mini-map. It didn't erupt on the other side.
That is so cool.
So we can escape out the other side.
No, it didn't erupt on the front. It didn't erupt on our side.
Oh, true. So... Okay.
God, okay, so it was so scary, like I was like, oh god, it's erupting, and I ran inside the house.
Whoa, spider! Oh, server lag. This is major server lag. Oh no. I love it how Will's connection sucks a left nutsack. Yay. Oh, shoot, that's a creeper. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, it's about to kick me out of the game. Because Will's connection sucks. Oh god, saying my buddy sucks because his internet sucks, yeah. What the Will, get on now, please.
I am on.
Oh my god.
I'm running to you.
Where are you?
I'm running, I'm really far away.
Oh my god.
Is the lava?
It erupted on our side. But it's not coming down on our house, which is good because our house is in the corner piece. Why is my FPS so low?
Oh, it's not on our house. Oh shit, it is. Holy shit, this is a terrible volcano. I didn't actually know that they could erupt.
This is so freaking weird.
Yeah, I've never seen one erupt before too. Here, holy shit. Look, we have this like perfect little trench. Oh my god. We are so lucky.
What if we had our house like right there? Like right here?
Yeah, I was about to make it over there too.
Oh my god. Where's the freaking button to make the thing higher? How do I make the... Is it this button? No, it's this button. No, it's this button. No, it's...
Hey,
what's the
I'm gonna
button
start
to make the map bigger? I've been recording, dude.
Oh, okay.
My frames are just so bad right now. It's not even
Hey guys, I'm recording again, and oh my god, my frames are really weird.
My frames are like bugged.
So all this lava. Okay, so we got lucky and it didn't attack us, but it came down here. It was quite the scare.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm gonna go block up the source. I'll be right back.
You're
Recording
gonna block up the source? I'm pretty sure that's not gonna work.
Yes, it will.
With lava, it doesn't work like that.
No, if you block up the source, it just takes a long time to get off.
Okay, good luck with that.
Oh,
Dude,
we're back
the whole
up.
forest is burning.
Oh yeah, and the forest is burning. Let's go watch,
Bro,
actually.
we need to...
Okay, there we go. Okay, my FPS got fixed. I don't know what was going on. There we go, guys. So I'm gonna have to edit this in. I hate editing, but you know what's savvy.
I don't
Yeah,
understand.
the rubber trees! No! Kill you, lava. Okay. Yeah, me and
What is
Evan made
this?
a
What's this?
rubber tree.
How come you can see through these leaves?
Huh?
I can see through these leaves.
Yeah, I know you're allowed to.
They stopped running.
Yeah, I know. Oh yeah, cause they oh no, it's not update. Did you see what they added in like the newest snapshot? Oh my god, they added anvils. Yes. You know what they do? They repair stuff, and you can rename anything pretty much.
Yeah, I found that out whenever I watched people use it like 50 years ago because the snapshot's been out for like what, a week or so, 2 weeks.
Shut up.
But you're just now
We need to
now
start.
watching it.
Shut up! You're making fun of me. We need to do a snapshot videos.
No, we don't. Okay, so
Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
I'm not sure how we're gonna fix this whole problem, but
So yeah, I got 5 diamond right now.
yeah,
And we're good.
like we just went mining. Okay, so this is our mining chest so far. This is what we got, and oh, lava is dropping on our chests. Like you can
That's
see,
sweet.
but
Well, let's not move anything. Also, I've been thinking about this. We should have like a secret passageway that goes back
We
through
need to have a secret place to
down
yeah.
here.
No. Yeah, we need to have like a what do you call them? Like some. It's like a.
Like somebody.
No, it's like a place where you hide and like you.
A storm shelter.
Well, yeah, kind of like that.
Okay, we need to go find 2 sticky pistons.
A panic
So-
room.
Panic room. You know what? Our panic room is gonna be behind the furnaces, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a T flip flop. Here, I'll show you what a T flip flop is. Here, I'll show you guys. Oh wait, yeah, it's a T flip.
Whoa, what's that?
What?
I see light now.
No, this. I was thinking that we could have it go more down, and it could be like our secret little society of like everything.
I was thinking that we could like fuck.
Wait, what?
I don't know. What are you talking about? What about this bow? I have an enchanted bow. Why do I have an enchanted bow?
Oh, cause skeleton drop it.
Oh, I got it from a skeleton.
Yeah, skeleton drops. Oh yeah, and with smite you can combine stuff, guys. Which means you can combine enchants. So if you have like a smite 1 and like a sharpness 1, I think you can have both if you combine it. Or if you have like a 2 sharpness 1s, you can combine them to have a sharpness 2.
Okay, let's get digging. Okay.
What's
Hey
that?
guys,
I have to find.
I'm actually just gonna pause recording. Okay, Will, let's just pause recording so that whenever we're digging this ginormous hole, we can come back to an actual.
Yeah, okay. See you guys later in a bit. And also, I'm gonna work on finding some slimes.